Hey guys, welcome back to Campbell Workshop. Today we are going to make Crocus Flower. They come in a very wide range of colors, and I'm going to focus on the yellow and white color. You can always change the color to what you prefer. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button below so you won't miss any of our new tutorials. These are what you need for this project. We cut the beige petals out according to the template. The open flowers is made out of 3 small and big petals. The flower bud is made out of 5 to 6 petals. After cutting the main petals, we also need 3 yellow petals for the flower center. You can cut them from your boxes of scrap paper. Then we will color the yellow paper with orange paint on both sides for the flower center. You will only need about 2 cm per flower. If you have orange paper, you can use that instead. While we are waiting for the flower center to dry, we are going to color the petals. Use the remaining yellow to color bottom third of each petals and set them aside. Now we're going to make the flower center. Curl and expand the tip of the orange paper. Remember to leave 3 mm of the paper above the wire. And use a tweezer to adjust the look. After you have done the 3 flower centers, we tape them together as a bundle. You can use any tape, and I'm using the masking tape. Then we simply curl the 3 small yellow petals and attach them on each flower center with UHU Glue. Now we wrap the flower stem with the brown flower tape. For our flower bud, we take out another 3 short 18 gauge wire and wrap them with flower tape as well. Then we need to shape the main petals. The principle is to curl the bottom third of the petal for attaching and expand the top into a bowl shape. You can gather the creases on the tip of the petal and expand the middle with your thumb to get a nice bowl shape. If you want to get lazy with the flower bud center, you can also make a loop on the wire and add a hot glue ball on top as the flower center. Otherwise, you can make the same open flower center for the flower bud. After that, we can start putting the flowers together. We use the hot glue to attach the small petals in the first layer. Then we alter the position for the big petals. And add some hot glue at the bottom to finish it off. For the flower bud, I have started with 3 petals, but I think it's not enough, so I've added another 2 later on. For the leaves, Crocus has very slim leaves. I have cut a few long leaves with the template, but I have also gathered some waste paper strips and cut them into pointy tips as the leaves. we also need to cut 2 pieces of light green leaves to wrap around the flowers. We color the leaves with some dark brown on the edge to mimic the soil. Finally, we can put everything together. Hold the flowers together and trim the unwanted wire away. Add all the slim leaves to the bundle and wrap the bundle with brown flower tape. Lastly, we add the 2 light green leaves with UHU glue to hold the bundle. You can also wrap the bottom with a bit of flower tape. Then you are done. Thank you for watching the video and I hope you like it. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for our weekly tutorials. If you have any particular flowers that you want us to make, you can comment below. And all our templates are available on our Etsy store. Check them out as well. See you next week!